Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best baby shower decorations is probably one of the most enchanting and memorable ways to celebrate the upcoming arrival of a little one, transforming a simple gathering into a whimsical wonderland that reflects the joy and anticipation of new beginnings, ensuring every guest feels the warmth and excitement of this special occasion through thoughtfully curated elements that create a magical atmosphere. Number 5. Juvale Donut-themed Party Decorations Kit. Make your next celebration extra sweet with our donut-themed party supplies. This set provides everything you need for a fun and cohesive donut birthday party. Don't worry about the mess. Our disposable plates and napkins make cleanup a breeze. Simply enjoy the party and discard them when you're done. Crafted from high-quality paper, these decorations are built to last and look great. The vibrant design adds a playful touch to any event. This complete package includes everything for 24 guests, from plates and napkins to cutlery. It's perfect for a memorable donut birthday party. Whether it's a child's birthday or an adult gathering, these decorations fit any occasion. They even complement other party themes beautifully. What we like? If you're planning a donut-themed party, this set is incredibly convenient. It provides everything you need for 24 guests, making setup and cleanup a breeze. Choose this if you want a hassle-free, cohesive look for your celebration. What people say. The banner was a good size and looked great. The balloons were a nice touch and added to the festive atmosphere. The cake topper was adorable and a perfect centerpiece for the cake. Number 4. Rainlemon Jute Burlap Baby Shower Banner. Celebrate your little one's arrival with this charming banner. It's crafted from 100% natural jute burlap, ensuring durability and a lovely rustic feel. Made from high-quality jute burlap, this banner is both reusable and eco-friendly. Its natural material adds a warm, earthy touch to your decorations. Each flag measures 5.1 by 7.1 inches, and the entire banner is pre-strung for your convenience. It's ready to hang right out of the package. The flags can be easily adjusted along the string, allowing you to customize the spacing. This makes it a versatile decoration for any event. Ideal for baby sprinkle, baby shower, or diaper party decorations. It creates a warm and inviting atmosphere for your special celebration. Beyond a banner, it also serves as a wonderful backdrop for photos. Capture beautiful memories with this delightful addition to your party. What we like? For a charming, rustic baby shower vibe, this banner is perfect. Its natural burlap material adds a warm, earthy touch. If you appreciate a handmade, eco-friendly aesthetic and want a banner that's ready to hang, this is a great choice. What people say. The banner was a great size and looked really cute. The balloons were good quality and held air well. The confetti added a nice touch to the table decorations. Number 3. Sprinkled with Love Backdrop Banner. Introducing our Sprinkled with Love Backdrop Banner, the perfect addition to your baby shower celebration. It's designed to add a special touch to your event. This banner measures a generous 4 by 6 feet, providing ample coverage. It comes with a long ribbon, making it easy to hang wherever you desire. Crafted from premium, eco-friendly fabric, it's both odorless and reusable. You can feel good about using this high-quality decoration for your special occasion. Ideal for baby showers, this banner can be placed on your front porch, gate, wall, or window. It's perfect for decorating any part of your house. Its creative design offers a unique glow, ensuring your party stands out. Make your baby shower a memorable event with this eye-catching decoration. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we will resolve it promptly. What we like? If you need a statement piece for your baby shower backdrop, this large banner is ideal. Its premium fabric ensures it looks great in photos and can be used again. Consider this if you want to create a visually impactful and reusable decoration for your event. What people say. The banner was a great size and looked adorable. The balloons were a nice touch and added to the festive atmosphere. The confetti was a cute addition and really tied the theme together. Number 2. Sprinkled with Love Burlap Banner. Introducing our beautifully handcrafted burlap banner, perfect for your baby shower or birthday party. It's made from natural burlap with carefully stenciled lettering and a charming painted heart. Make your child's celebration unforgettable. This banner adds a special touch to high chairs, walls, or dessert tables, serving as a wonderful photo prop. Measuring 80 inches long, this banner comes with ample twine for easy hanging. Each flag is 6.8 by 5 inches, and it arrives ready to use, saving you time and effort. Each banner is lovingly handmade in a smoke-free environment. The letters are securely attached, ensuring they stay in place when displayed. This rustic decoration is ideal for baby showers, birthdays, and more. It's designed to add a unique and memorable element to your special event. We are here to help. If you have any questions about our products, please. What we like. This banner offers a unique, handcrafted charm with its hand-stenciled lettering and painted heart. It's made with care and ready to be hung, saving you time. If you love the personal touch of handmade items and want a special photo prop or decoration, this is the one. What people say. The decorations were a perfect addition to the baby shower, creating a festive atmosphere. The quality of the materials used for the decorations was impressive, making them durable and reusable. The sprinkled with love theme was beautifully executed, with charming details on each piece. Number 1. Lofaris sprinkled with love donut party backdrop. Crafted from high-quality vinyl, this backdrop offers non-fading, non-reflective colors and excellent light blocking. It's designed for lasting use and vibrant visuals. Measuring 7 by 5 feet, it provides a generous space for your photography needs. The high-technology 3D printing ensures lifelike colors that truly pop. This backdrop is ideal for a variety of uses, including photography, cake table banners, wall decor, and even photo studio shoots. It's a versatile addition to any celebration. To ensure a flawless look, simply hang it or roll it on a tube to minimize creases. For stubborn wrinkles, a low-temperature iron on the backside works wonders. Benefit from factory direct supply and a dedicated designer team. We offer easy customization options to perfectly match your event's theme and needs. Need something specific? We can customize the size, words, color, or any other element. Just send us your requirements via Amazon message for a unique touch. What we like. For a vibrant and professional-looking photo backdrop, this vinyl banner is excellent. Its 3D printing creates lifelike colors, and it's made from durable, non-reflective material. If you're looking for a customizable option to perfectly match your theme and want high-quality photographic effects, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The banner was a good size and looked great. The balloons were a nice touch and added to the festive atmosphere. The overall look of the decorations was very appealing and matched the theme perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.